In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a VAT return in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process, step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to check, and how to submit your VAT return to HMRC confidently. First, let's get to the VAT Center. Once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Taxes. This opens up the tax area in QuickBooks. At the top, you'll see different tabs, so make sure you're on the VAT tab. This VAT Center is where all your VAT-related activity is managed, including your returns, payments, and reports. Next, we're going to prepare the VAT return. Inside the VAT tab, look for the Returns section. Here, you'll see a list of VAT periods, including any that are open and ready to be filed. Find the open VAT return for the period you need to submit. When you've located the correct one, click on Prepare Return. This will take you into the summary screen for that specific VAT period. Now it's time to review the figures. On the Return Summary page, you'll see the 9 standard VAT boxes that form your return. Take your time here and check that each box looks reasonable based on your records. If any numbers look unexpected or you want to see where they're coming from, QuickBooks can help. You can run the VAT liability report, which gives you a detailed breakdown of the transactions that make up those totals. Use this report to drill into invoices, receipts, and adjustments, and make any corrections in your accounts before you continue. Once you're happy that everything is accurate, you're ready to submit to HMRC. On the VAT Return Summary page, select Submit to HMRC. At this point, QuickBooks prepares the information to be sent through the Making Tax digital connection, so it's important that you only move on when you're sure your figures are correct. On the next screen, you'll see a declaration. This is where you confirm that the information you're sending is true and complete to the best of your knowledge. Tick the checkbox to accept this declaration. When that's done, click Submit to HMRC again to send the return. After submission, QuickBooks will record the status of the return in your VAT Center, so you can easily see that it's been filed and refer back to it whenever you need.